Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the page fault in non-paged area blue screen error in Windows. First, update your device drivers. Right-click the Start button and open Device Manager. Expand important categories such as display adapters, network adapters, and storage controllers. Right-click each device, choose Update Driver, then select Search automatically for drivers. Install any updates that Windows finds, then restart your computer. If the error continues, repair your Windows system files. Press the Windows key, type CMD, right-click Command Prompt, and choose Run as Administrator. In the Command Prompt window, type sfc/scano and press Enter. Wait for the scan to finish. If it repairs any files, restart your PC. If the blue screen still appears, open Command Prompt as Administrator again and run the following command: dsm/online/cleanupimage/restore health. This tool repairs the Windows image and replaces damaged system components that SFC cannot fix. Let the process complete, then restart your computer. If the problem still isn't solved, check your computer's memory. Press the Windows key, type Windows Memory Diagnostic, and open it. Select Restart Now and check for problems. Your PC will restart and perform a memory test automatically. If memory errors are found, reseating or replacing the faulty RAM may permanently fix the blue screen. Thanks for watching.